In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert lines in WPS Office Document Mobile. Adding lines to your document on mobile can help you organize content, separate sections, or visually guide the reader's attention. Whether you are working on notes, reports, or simple layouts, knowing how to insert and adjust lines directly from your phone can make your document look cleaner and more professional. To begin, open your document in the WPS Office mobile app. Once the document is open, tap the icon located at the bottom left of the screen. This will open several editing options that allow you to modify and add elements to your document. From the available tabs, tap on the Insert tab. This section contains tools that let you add objects such as shapes, images, and other design elements. After tapping Insert, look for the Shapes option. Tap on it, and then tap the three dots icon to reveal more shape choices. From here, select the Line option. For example, you can start by choosing a simple line without an arrow. Once selected, the line will immediately appear on your document. By default, the line may appear at a diagonal angle. To make the line horizontal or vertical, simply tap and drag either end of the line. Adjust it slowly until it aligns the way you want. You can also change the length of the line by dragging its endpoints, making it longer or shorter depending on where you want it placed in your document. With a bit of patience, you can position the line neatly and precisely. If you want to add another line, such as a line with an arrow, just repeat the same steps. Tap the bottom left icon again, go to Insert, open Shapes, tap the three dots icon, and then choose the line with an arrow. Once it appears on the page, adjust its direction and length in the same way. You can position it horizontally or vertically by dragging it until it aligns properly. Using these steps, you can add multiple lines to your document, whether they are plain lines or arrowed lines, and place them exactly where you need them. This is especially useful when creating diagrams, separating content, or emphasizing certain sections in your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.